In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Bilibili loading issues when it's simply not working. Now, encountering loading problems can be quite a hassle, whether you're trying to wind down with some content or stay updated with your favorite creators. But don't fret, because, in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a series of steps that should help get you back on track. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Bilibili account. This serves as a good starting point to ensure that any changes or troubleshooting we perform will reflect correctly on your account. Now, whether you prefer using a browser or you're on a Windows device, accessing your account is quite straightforward in both scenarios. Let's talk about something very basic but often overlooked, your internet connection. Check your internet speed because it plays a crucial role in how well Bilibili functions. I recommend running a speed test. This will give you a clear indication of your current download and upload speeds. If you notice that they're slower than usual, it might be worth switching up your network settings. Consider toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one provides better stability and speed. For those of you using a VPN, it may be best to temporarily disable it. Sometimes, content on Bilibili might not load due to regional restrictions or interference from your VPN. Give it a go and see if it makes a difference. If you find no change, a clean refresh of the web page or application can sometimes do wonders. This is effective because temporary lags or small glitches sometimes prevent proper loading, and a refresh can resolve this by re-establishing the connection. Now, if you're using a web browser, extensions can be a double-edged sword. They offer many advantages but sometimes interfere with loading times or restrict access to content. It's a good idea to temporarily disable these extensions and see if it resolves the issue. If you're on a mobile device, focus on the app itself. Clearing the cache of your Bilibili app can help resolve loading problems, as cache data can become corrupt or outdated over time. Once you've cleared the cache, if the issue persists, uninstalling and reinstalling the app is a solid next step. This ensures you're working with a fresh version of the app, free from any past errors or corrupted files. Also, make sure the app's up to date on whichever device you're using, whether on PC or mobile. Finally, if none of these solutions work, don't hesitate to reach out to Bilibili's customer service. They're equipped to handle these issues and can guide you through more specific troubleshooting steps. And with that, the problem should be solved. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help get your Bilibili experience back on track.